So, Angreinov, yes, my name is Nigel, this is Hrant, and we're here with our other team members as well, Christina and Marush is somewhere. So what we've done is we've created a new type of game. This game is a air combat simulation game. This was first presented in the Digitec event this year, but this was just a simulation at that time. What's happened now is we've now increased this by adding music and gameplay to this. So we now have a full mission planned out, where we have enemy aircraft and a number of other goals to reach. So the aim of this is to try and show two technologies. The first technology is the Microsoft Kinect. The second technology is the Windows 8 Metro platform, or the RT platform. So we expect that this will be compatible to put onto a Windows 8 device. Yeah, so he's... so anyway, we have just developed this. A lot of the graphics and a lot of the modern features have been developed over the last two. If he moves forward, yeah, then the speed increases. So the Kinect is obviously a new, innovative device. We believe that there is a small, growing community of people who really want to use this technology. This is something that separates you from your PC. Windows 8, of course, is now bringing this Kinect. This is a Microsoft Kinect for Windows 8. This is not an Xbox Kinect. This is for Windows 8. So this is something that's happening now. This is now to move and work on your computer without touching a keyboard or a mouse. So it's really a very innovative and new technology that we bring into it.
Okay, what do you do?
We've added music, gameplay, the original slides. We've added a lot of textures and backgrounds. We've also added enemies and goals on the ground. And we've created sort of a mission format. The aim of this is to have a market potential of a sellable game. So what we want to do is we either want to sell this game or use it as a demo. So the demo would be given to people for free to try and encourage them to get onto the Kinect platform, to try and use Windows 8 with the Kinect. The other aim for us as well, though, is that what I want to do to take this forward, and the reason why I've joined the team, is to try and help them maybe crowdsource some funding or find an investor who will help them basically invest in the game to make multiple missions and build a small community around this here in Armenia, because we're dealing with the latest and most innovative of both the Microsoft technologies here, the Kinect plus the Windows 8, and we want to continue development in that front. Regarding the team is fantastic. I've joined very recently, but the team is Hrant, who's done a lot of the development work, Marush, who's back there, who's done a lot of the design work and the logos and all the screens, and Christina, who's got a great aspect of the team in the sense of the 3D models and this kind of stuff. So there's been a huge amount of effort from these guys over the past couple of weeks with me to get us to this stage. Any questions? Okay, so what next? Absolutely. Okay, so that's why I'm here. So I spoke to we've worked with the company who made this, and I've just started a company here in Armenia. So my aim is to try and work with them to try and business development on this product, because I really believe that we have a small niche here. There's an opportunity. There's a lot of people who want to use the Kinect platform, a lot of people who want to use Windows 8, and they're not sure how. And why can't we build the first company in Armenia who's made the first game on the Windows Store? So what we want to do is we want to take this game and as soon as possible get it onto the Windows Store, because it will be the first game, as we know, that has got a Kinect support on the Windows Store. And if we can achieve that, I think that's going to be a real milestone for us. Beyond that, I would like to either take it to like Kickstarter or an investor to fund in, to pay for some other missions and get crowdsourcing or get even people within Armenia interested in the project to start getting a lot of buzz and enthusiasm, because we have something here that's useful. From the Microsoft side, which I know some of you are very interested, we really see that there's a lot of potential for Microsoft as well, because they need to start selling these things. They have them, they're made, and they want to get them out into the market. So we want to also, work with Microsoft to see how they can do that, because we really believe that this idea of touchless computing is also the next step, because now we're on touch tablets, and yeah, there's a next step after that.
Are there different levels?
Okay.
So is there...
I will use this game as a demonstration, so I would like to
So
create
this
3
is the
levels.
game, it's ready now.
I wouldn't say so, but we're very close.
That's what I'm...
But no, the next stages of this game, priorities, are to follow up with finishing off some of the goals within the level. But my main aim there is really to add multiplayer support. That would be my biggest aim. If we can add a second player on the same screen or through the internet, that would be the dream to aim for. So I think that with the team, because they're really great guys, I really believe they can do this. Like, to take it, put 2 people in front of the screen and people are flying with each other or against each other, I think that's the next step. And it shows again that computing on Windows 8 can now be a collaborative platform. So, I mean, if you just think beyond just the game, suddenly you have 2 people working on the same computer achieving things, that could be taken in other collaborative ways as well. Thank you very much.
Exception.